Hello everyone. I'm at the West today. Just filming some modern EMs here. Then I'm gonna move on to the double-sided Fuji tank. Yeah, what happened to that? Damn. Yeah, the lift literally now is modded. There's slow F leveling. Oh, hurry up. It's got to 20. Going up. Doors are closing. Nah, bro, legit has a makeover, bro. Yes, I promise you I'll film some KSF. The reason I came here is because I haven't filmed leaves here yet. But the damn bell doesn't work. There we go. Only the right side bell does. Doors opening. Bruh. Yeah, every leaf here got modded. Story 20. Ugh, swear, bro. Bro. Let's go down to 1. Going down. Doors are closing. Doors opening. Bruh. Here we are at 1. Story 1. Let's send this lift up to 18. It's opening. Yeah, let's write lift B, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, okay, y'all. I decided to wait until lift B comes down again. So, yeah. Yep, managed to call down lift B. So, okay, here's the elevator. Damn, my damn hands are itchy, bro. This is about to fall. Going up. Doors are closing. Nah, bro's new logo is too ugly. Story 4. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Doors are closing. Here we are at 1. Story 1. So let's go to block 237.